Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for April 10th, 2013. It's currently 8:30 a.m. and we are nice and warm out there, at least for much of the Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan area. You can kind of see where the cold front or stationary front is located here. Over Connecticut in the Hudson River Valley, and also northeastern Pennsylvania, we have winds from the north, and of course, as a result, we have temperatures ranging from the upper 40s to the mid 50s throughout the region. Further south over the New York City metropolitan area, temperatures ranging from the mid to upper 50s, with winds pretty much light and variable for the most part, basically backing from the north to the southeast. And then over the Philadelphia metropolitan area, where we have winds from the southwest of 5 to 10 miles per hour, we have temperatures rising rapidly into the mid to upper 60s, pushing into the 70s probably in the next 90 minutes or so, as we have all this warm air invading from the southwest. Today is going to be a very warm day, but unlike yesterday, not as much sunshine because we have this boundary lingering over the region that will slowly drop to the south. So what I'm expecting are temperatures basically in the lower to mid 70s over the northern interior, mid to upper 70s along the immediate coast, upper 70s to lower 80s around New York City metropolitan area, and upper 70s to mid 80s over the Philadelphia metropolitan area. A little bit more of a wider range because of the cloud cover here, but I think like portions of southwestern New Jersey, central New Jersey, maybe right around Philadelphia could push into that 82, 83 degree range if we get enough sunshine. And as you can see, we have plenty of sunshine over southwestern New Jersey. Now the key for today is this boundary, as I said. And then you have these disturbances like this one here, diving from the Great Lakes towards the northern mid-Atlantic. For this morning, we really don't have much in the way of showers, but this type of disturbance here that will dive south and east by this evening will lead to the potential for widely scattered to isolated showers and thunderstorms. And with temperatures warming up very nicely over the Philadelphia metropolitan area, you're looking at the potential for severe thunderstorms. Very isolated, but there is that threat. So we do have to keep that threat in mind for this afternoon and this evening, with these thunderstorms capable of very heavy downpours, wind gusts over 50 miles per hour, small hail, and frequent lightning. So it's certainly something to keep an eye on for this afternoon and especially this evening, especially if you're going out to the Mets and Phillies game this evening after 7 o'clock. The best potential for showers and thunderstorms likely will be after 9 p.m. as I'm seeing a lot of model guidance suggesting that storms will develop over central Pennsylvania and dive southeast this evening towards the Philadelphia metropolitan area with the potential for showers and thunderstorms. But with mesoscale dynamics, you can never let your guard down. Now this low pressure system here is going to reach us by Friday, and this low pressure system will try to redevelop right over New Jersey and produce widespread heavy rain. There could be a threat for severe thunderstorms over southern New Jersey and extreme southern Pennsylvania, but I think the primary threat on Friday is going to be widespread rain and heavy downpours that will lift through the region on Friday and exit by Friday evening, with clearing skies Friday night and a beautiful weekend in place by Saturday. So here we have the radar. You can see what I mean with some of these showers and thunderstorms here trying to develop over the St. Lawrence River Valley and over portions of the Great Lakes here. These thunderstorms are going to develop and then basically focus over northern Pennsylvania and southwestern New York and then dive south and east by this evening. Again, you see these little popcorn showers and thunderstorms here. They could also be an isolated threat and kind of be a rogue disturbance here and there that could produce a surprise thunderstorm this evening and this afternoon. Taking a look at the latest model guidance from the Penn State EWOL website using the European model guidance for this evening. Again, here's our upper level low driving our cold front a little bit further south. So the really, really warm temperatures that we're going to experience today are going to come to an end by tonight as this cold front is pushed south. So if you enjoy the 80s, sorry, they're going away for now, but they will be back, don't worry. So by tonight, that cold front presses south, winds shift more to the east, and that means we're going to be in a little bit more of a cooler regime by tomorrow. So again, enjoy the warm temperatures while you can for this evening. By tomorrow, we're not going to be cold, it's just that we're going to be back towards normal. Instead of being 20 degrees above normal, we'll be near normal, which is basically in the lower to mid 60s. There could be some lower 70s over the Philadelphia metropolitan area, depending on how far south this boundary is pushed through the region. I wouldn't be surprised if it stalls out somewhere around central New Jersey and just to north of Philadelphia, thus allowing for temperatures to push close to 70 degrees over the Philadelphia metro. But I think for the New York City metro, you're looking pretty much at upper 50s to mid 60s, depending on your location and proximity to the coast. Also, there'll be a better chance for showers and thunderstorms with the boundary sitting right over us and disturbances moving through. Not widespread yet, but certainly a better potential. Where it will be widespread will be on Friday as our low pressure system redevelops towards the coast. Look for Friday afternoon for the low pressure system to really organize over New Jersey and then shift towards New England. So there'll be periods of moderate to heavy rain, but also notice by Friday night, talking about 8 p.m. here, notice all this dry air at the mid-levels here. So what this is telling me is that look for periods of moderate to heavy rain Friday afternoon, possibly starting late Friday morning through Friday afternoon, exiting Friday evening. So the evening rush hour will see drying conditions from west to east and also falling temperatures. We're looking at temperatures on Friday anywhere from the mid 60s to lower 70s. And then for this weekend on through next week, high pressure will be in complete control with tranquil weather conditions and dry weather, but also temperatures a little bit more seasonable with highs in the upper 50s to the mid 60s and also lows in the lower to mid 40s. So we pretty much return to near normal temperatures, but nothing too cool. Okay, it's just not going to be 85. So that is your forecast discussion for today. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino. Follow the latest weather information at nynjpaweather.com and NYNJPA Weather on Twitter and Facebook. Have a wonderful day. Stay safe out there.